Well, today we're going to be burning literally just that single box right there. I have not been able to find anything good in the dumpsters lately. I also got the exact same model carpet cleaner we destroyed a few months ago, because why the heck not? Oh, I always see someone. I thought I saw them. It took you long enough. I'm okay. My ankle rolled. I rolled my foot. What have you been doing? What? It's not the first time I fell like that. My foot kind of went the opposite direction.
I bet you're recording though that happened.
Yeah. I was trying to track you, but I fell and I got caught in one of the ditch. Oh, okay.
I was born in a fire there last night.
I also got expired milk.
Was it just in your fridge?
What?
That wasn't just in your fridge, was it?
Maybe.
For God's sake.
Oh, yeah, the smoke is literally blowing right in our direction. I mean, it's just cardboard and plastic, so there's really nothing too toxic in there. What? Oh, dang. I think it kind of hit.
How about firing one at you instead?
Yeah.
Do not.
Yeah, put it on like the right voltage so it isn't like too high. 18 volts.
How many spiders do you guys have?
What do you mean?
What's the fucking end there?
What, there's spiders?
No, on the gun.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, we're outside, so probably 100. That's the MS-190.
That'll move. This might ricochet.
Yeah, it will.
Oh, that put a hole in it.
Oh, dang, it did.
It actually put a hole in it. I wonder if it went through though.
Well, considering how flames erupted from it, probably.
Wait, did there flames still come out the backside?
Kinda. Oh, yeah, it did.
Oh, jeez.
Because we can. And it's fun. Thought of owning a siren. Aaron's planning on getting the one in Monticello.
You can actually tornado one?
Yeah, that's a yellow one. It's no.
The pedal stickers are 500.
You'd probably.
Saying that off would be illegal unless it was a tornado.
You'd be surprised on how many people own tornado sirens.
Well, it's not that hard to steal as long as you don't get caught.
Yeah.
And unless you've had it for a while, you can't really prove it was stolen.
Yeah. This to burn all the fingerprints. Oh, dang.
I already ate school enough for that.
What's the voltage on?
11.3.
Put it on 18.
Nope.
It's a little loud. That's what the ones at Walmart sound like.
Yeah.
They actually have to set them off once?
Once.
Actually, I remember they went off once while I was in the building. And it was just because one malfunctioned.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that box is already...
Disintegrated?
Well, the thing is, I kind of just used it as a makeshift trash can, so there's a bit of cardboard, plastic, and I think there's a Hardee's bag in there, which is right there. And something I threw in there's...
Surprisingly, the one in Miami never got shut off.
Oh my gosh, the guy's pulling out.
That guy's an asshole anyway.
I just keep it blaring as soon as...
You at least want to turn the direction?
Yeah, point it in this direction.
That's how you get fucking noise complaint and a visit from the cops.
How many volts does this thing take?
Yeah, 24.
Fucking 24-volt fire alarm?
Yeah. Hey, there's some fire alarms that are powered by 120 volts.
Yeah.
Let's see what the damage is. I mean, the thing's already burning. Yeah, it does sound like crickets.
And the Nokia ringtone.
Nokia ringtone.
Hey, Johnny, I don't think it's much of a box though.
Oh, it's still burning. There's the part.
Alright, you gotta pick up the phone or what?
There's something in there is making yellow smoke. I can't remember what I tossed in there, but it's making yellow smoke. I know it's not that tuna can. Oh, never mind. The tuna can's right there. I just threw Aaron's wood in there.
What kind of wood, Johnny?
Yeah, his wood's gonna be all burned and crispy. Oh, also we have that dartboard for you to shoot at.
Yeah, I'll see if I go bullseye. I guess I'll figure out wherever the
Yeah. Which, yeah, it's hard to tell because there are all holes in there. I can see a small... I can't see it.
Let's shoot it from like right here.
Yeah.
Shoot at things so it bounce away.
That just hit,
Came right back at me.
did it just hit your leg?
Yeah.
Let me have a go.
Oh, oh, you just hit the screen. Look at that.
That's shattered.
Yeah.
It lodged the BB.
Oh my gosh, it literally did. If I can dislodge it.
Yeah, I don't think you're dislodging anything here, buddy.
Yeah.
Hey, you want me to show you what the highest point you can score in darts is?
I have never played darts, so I don't even know how this. I mean, I know the bullseye's the highest score.
Nope.
Well, what is it?
60.
Oh. Where I don't see 60 on there. Only places I see dartboards are those bars.
This is a 60. That is a 60.
Oh, nice.
That is the only score higher in darts than a bullseye.
And what's the bullseye do?
50.
Oh.
Round 2 into the bullseye?
Yep. Okay. Want me to try?
Yeah, I tried to get some going there. I couldn't get any to go on.
What?
I tried to get something going. I couldn't. Yeah, we'll hit the power button.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit the power button. I said hit the. There, make it visible so I can.
Put it right up to it.
Okay. Oh, hey. It just made a little hole right there. Will it still press? Yeah, it's still pressing. Okay. There you go.
Lacey and press a lot of people's buttons every day. The first question I make anything my phone attached to
Oh yeah, it's That little bullseye thing's getting a little, I think it's already starting to lose, I'm pretty sure these are sensors that tell you, like, if the dart is,
I asked him about the compressor mode or the burner.
Oh, nice. I wouldn't mind having a small air compressor, but I need one small enough that I can fit in my apartment. That one's just slightly too big, and how noisy is it?
Well, there's supposed to be a bearing right there, and that's gone.
Well, there's a little crankcase, a little tiny engine right. I wonder if you could actually convert that into like a little two-stroke engine.
I've seen people do it before.
Hey Cody, come here. Yeah, it's an air pump. We're going to be definitely using it to compress air. Where's the little hose at that has like a little compressed air and stuff?
But I have one. I have another bigger compressor, but it leaks.
That's really quiet. We should toss some things in the fan.
Here's my air compressor.
Your air compressor probably sounds like an air compressor. I'm going to point at this, Okay, well. Oh. Yeah.
The motor's actually failing.
It sounds like it's hitting a red line. Yeah. Oh. Maybe. Oh, yeah, we should probably move this so it isn't hitting your car.
Yeah.
Or remove the car.
Let's point this in your neighbor's point this towards the neighbors. Is it better? I'm pointing it towards the neighbors. Ow. Oh, all the blades are gone. Oh, look, it's sparking.
Yeah, it's dead.
No, that's because I jammed it. Did I just blow the fuse?
No, I think you misaligned the brushes.
Oh, dang. How did I misalign the brushes? I saw them sparking in there, and then... It looks like the brushes are already misaligned with how much this thing's failing.
Yeah, I'm gonna jam something.
Okay.
I don't know how my phone's actually level. Look.
Yeah.
I've got a leveling thing on my phone. Somehow it's actually level.
Oh, nice. Wonder if any of those shards hit you.
Why the fuck do you think I backed away? Go right now?
Make it burn.
That fire's still going. I can smell it.
Yeah, it smells really nice. I mean, it's hardly, I know there's nothing really left of it, but...
So you guys trying to jumpstart now?
Yeah, basically, we're literally trying to jumpstart a gas, basically an air engine.
Those brushes are gone.
The brushes are gone.
Does that mean the motor's right?
Yes and no. Just the brushes are gone, but the windings are probably still fine.
Yeah, it's just, I'm guessing someone must have dropped this thing, whoever owned it. I mean, where did you get this from?
And the trash, exactly.
Oh, there it is. That works.
Has an overload.
That's what I think of overloads. Hey, don't just record. Hey, it kind of did. Like that, I got a little piece. Wait, there's little sensors in there. Okay, my turn. Yeah, overpriced for a phone. Yeah, they're a scam. Jump on. Oh, he's jumping on it, all right.
We can actually see the
Well, baby's still in there. Oh yeah, with my power supply.
What do you have in here?
A garage.
Oh, no shit.
There's a.
Yeah, it's mine.
And there's this vacuum cleaner. I think he used that to remove the oil from his mom's car.
Yeah.
I didn't make it either.
It's just because the drain plug is bent on, so you can't get the drain plug off no matter how much.
There's a giant dumpster
Where?
on the shelf.
I didn't know they had dumpster on the oh yeah, that's a garbage can.
Yeah.
Oh look, we still have some of those fireworks still. This is from 4th of July. Look.
Jesus.
I mean, I don't know what all the electrical components are in there, and I think the guy only paid like $5 for that thing. They're so common at Walmart.
Yeah. Did you get this at Goodwill?
No, I didn't. That was my friend. I didn't buy this.
Which Goodwill was it?
Looks like we can blow those 2 capacitors, and that's a little silicon chip on board that contains everything. Oh, that's a little speaker right there. We can blow that speaker.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's because oh, yeah. I did the things. Oh, wait. I saw something. It only goes up to 3 amps, so. Is it making any? You're hooking up directly to the speaker. Disconnect the speaker. I want to hook it up directly.
It looks like we can do it just by doing this.
Okay.
Is it on?
Not yet. It is now. 10 volts. That's a weird noise, like. That's it. Oh wait, what's that?
It's a wall wart thing.
No current's being put through it. It's probably just an input.
Yeah, because
Oh yeah.
the board's broken.
I just saw 0.5 amps, and then it just dropped down to 0. Yeah, it's not putting out anything. Try the other 2. Yeah, 1.3 amps.
Yeah.
Yeah, nothing.
Sounds like a fucking leaf blower.
Well, it's because the thing's terrible.
Yeah.
The MSO90 is literally just, I'm pretty sure those things are literally just a novelty toy.
Yeah.
I've never seen them actually being used in buildings.
Okay, maybe I'll bring a leaf blower next time.
Yeah, leaf blower. I mean, I'm sure the thing can blow leaves.
Yeah.
Oh, where did this go to?
The toothbrush.
I'm surprised we'll be able to blow
You want to blow this up?
Oh yeah, here. Hey, Cody, here? We're gonna be blowing up a brush tooth, or a toothbrush. Oh, he's gonna be putting. Yeah, call it the brush tooth.
That's what Johnny said.
A brush tooth.
Did you bring a squirrel from his house?
Yes. It's not on. Wait, no. Oh. Oh, it's sparking. Did it just die?
No. Yes.
Wait. Oh, it just died.
Oh shit, that's hot.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, I'd believe that.
It's only a little hot.
Yeah.
How many fire alarms you got?
Well, I only bought all the noisemakers. Yeah.
Where do you guys even buy one of these things?
eBay. I bought this one on eBay for.
What are these?
Oh, I bought that on eBay for $80 until I dropped it and the cover got broken off of it. Here, we should do this one. Here.
That's like you'd find that in like a police cruiser.
Well,
Of course it's a federal. Why wouldn't it be a federal? Plug that one in. Yep. Okay. Sounds like one of those buzzers is like a basketball game.
I think the basketball one's use like a different buzzer, I think.
I see basketball.
Yeah, probably not one that get used on a cop car, but
I think they use those exact buzzers, but do
Yeah,
they?
they do use the exact buzzers at basketball games.
Yeah, they probably repaint them so that way they're not that gray color.
Yeah.
Hey.